Today I'm going to show you guys how I tie up one of my favorite kokanee lures. I use 2 hooks here, double snelled lure, and this is kind of the most effective way to catch and keep kokanee in British Columbia, so you don't lose as many, you don't have as high of a mortality rate. I like to catch my limit and then call her quits, go somewhere else, do something different, catch some rainbows. So here we go. Starting with the tail end of my leader, I'm going to put it up through the eye, down the shank. I'm going to pull some tail end out here, and I'm going to turn it back towards the eyelet, so the tail end will be facing the eye again. Tag end. Form a little loop here. I'm going to hold that loop with my fingers, and I'm going to wrap the tag end around the shank of this hook here. Hope you can see that there. 5 or 6 times should do it. Now when I'm done, I gotta hold it really tight, hold that knot really tight, and I'm gonna take the tag end and I'm gonna put it back through the loop that I've created. I'm gonna wet this. I usually use my mouth, and I grab the tag end with my teeth and I pull her tight. So that's tight on there, the knot's here. You wet the knot so that when you slide it against the shank of the hook, it doesn't kind of fray the line, it doesn't heat it up and break it. So slide it forward, pull it tight, trim your tag end off. You don't have to be crazy about it, but just trim a little bit off. Now I'm going to grab my other hook. I'm going to grab the very end of my leader here. I'm going to go up and out the eye, and then I'm going to pull this hook all the way down to my trailer hook. So some guys will have their hooks in opposite directions if they can make it sit that way. Other guys will have them down. I usually just start with it down. It's easier to hold the hooks when I'm tying. So I'll hold these here, and I'll space them out about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Hold the line against the shank of the hook. Now I'm going to start wrapping my leader back over top of the eyelet and back along the shank. I'm going to count about 10 times. Keep my line nice and tight, nice and close. And once I'm done that, I'm going to have to grab all of that off of there. I'm going to have to pinch it, sorry. So I'm going to pinch it here. I'm going to grab the very end of this leader again, and I'm going to put it through the eyelet of the hook again. Put it right through there. I'm going to slowly pull all this out, back out again, as if I was getting ready to fish. There we go. I'll get my pliers. I'm going to hold this hook, and I'm just going to pull it snug one more time. And that's usually how I set myself up for tying any type of lures. So I've got my lures that way. Okay. If you like this, please check out how we build our lures, and we will show you different types of lures that we have been building over the years, and you can choose the ones you like best and find the components and tie your own. So please subscribe and share this video. Teach everyone you can how to tie their own hooks on the lake to catch some kokanee.